Stuck at intersection, you always watch unfold the fundamental problem of traffic. On green, the first car accelerates and the next, and then you, only to get the red traffic light. Had the cars accelerated simultaneously, you would have made it through. Coordination, not cars, is the problem because we are monkey drivers with slow reaction times and short attention spans. Even if you try getting everyone to press the pedal on 3, 2, 1 now, would be challenging. This not coordination limits how many cars can get through an intersection, and when one backs up to the next, that's when city-sized gridlock cascades happen, taking forever to clear.
In general, more intersections equals more discoordination, which equals more traffic. This is the motive behind big highways: no intersections. Splits and mergers, yes. Intersections, no. No stopping. No coordination problems, no traffic. Well, that's the theory anyway. Intersections outside of a highway will back up onto it.
Again, because human reaction times limit how many cars can escape the off-ramp when the light changes. But even without intersections, there would still be traffic on the highway. Traffic can just appear. Take a one-lane highway with happy cars flowing until a chicken crosses the road.
The driver who sees it brakes a little. The driver behind him doesn't notice immediately and brakes a little harder than necessary. The driver behind him does the same until someone comes to a complete stop. And oh look, cars approaching at highway speeds must now stop as well.
Though the chicken is long gone, it left a phantom intersection on the highway. This is what's happened when you're stuck in traffic for hours thinking, there must be a deadly pile-up ahead, and then suddenly the traffic's over with no wreckage inside. To your relief if you're a good person, and mild annoyance if you aren't.
You just passed through a phantom intersection, the cause of which is long gone, and this phantom intersection moves. It's really a traffic snake slithering down the road, eating oncoming cars at one end and pooping them out the other. On a ring road, single cars slowing down will start, and ouroboros of traffic that will last forever, even though there is no problem with the road.
If the drivers could coordinate to accelerate and separate simultaneously, easy driving would return. But they can't, so traffic eternal. On highways, traffic snakes grow if cars are eaten faster than excreted, and they shrink if excreted faster than eaten, dying when the last car accelerates away before the next car must stop.
Now, in multi-lane highways, there needs to be chicken to start gridlock. A driver crosses lanes quickly with the cars too close behind enough to birth. The traffic snakes that lives for hours and leaves. It is this quick crossing that causes drivers behind to overbrake and begin a chain reaction. But we can make traffic snakes less likely by changing the way we drive. Your goal as a driver is to stay the same distance from the car ahead and from the car behind at all times. Tailgating is trouble, not just because it makes accidents more likely, but because you as the tailgater can't start a traffic snake if the driver had brakes.